Hi Dr. Bland, I'm Chelsea Baggett and we are going to do our speech sound eliciting video. This is my friend Amelia and today she is an 8-year-old that is producing the T for the SH. So I'm going to elicit the SH sound in 3 different ways. So the first one we're going to use progressive approximation. So Amelia, can you say T? Alright, now we're going to say the T 3 times, and I want you to hold the last one. T, t, tss. T, t, tss. Good. Now we are going to say the S and have it change into an SH by making a fish face. So can you go Good job. Alright, next we're going to do the phonetic placement. So Amelia, we're going to look at the mirror. You want to make a good fish face and go shh. Good job. Alright, last we're going to elicit the SH using the motokinesthetic approach. Alright, so I'm going to touch just the sides of your cheeks with my hands, okay? Alright, can you show me your fish face? Alright, can you say shh? Good job. Alright, and we are all finished.